Hey guys, this is Josh Check here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox another Aolon product. This is the Watch Foam S4. Let's go. So hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel, and yes guys, we have here another product. This is the Aolon Watch Foam S4, and these are the quick specifications guys. It has 1.91 320 by 38 386 HD screen, high definition Bluetooth calls, blood oxygen saturation, IP67 waterproof, sleep monitoring, 24-hour heart rate monitoring, and 100 plus sports mode. So this is the watch guys. So and the application, it's actually Glory Fit, and it supports Android and iOS. So without further ado guys, let's open the box. So we have here the manual. So if you have any questions, you can just refer to your manual guys. And we have here the charging pins, okay, Aolon, and it is actually magnetic. Right, and let's try to check the strap. So this is the strap guys of our Aolon watch Foom S4, and so then guys, the watch itself. Okay, let's take this one out. Okay, here it is. So as you can see guys on the right, so you have here the um this is the crown, and it has kind of red design, and the another button here, right? And on the left, so you have here the speaker grill, and let's take this one out. I believe this is the sensors and the magnetic pins. Okay, so let's turn it on. Alright, so it says there Aolon. Okay, so here it is guys, our Foom S4. So let's check the features. And by the way, the watch faces, so these are the watch faces guys. And when you press the crown and you try to manipulate it, then you can see the different features: call, daily exercise, heart rate. You can see, so when you touch this one into your wrist, and training, as you can see, so it has lots of sports modes that you can choose. And blood oxygen, music control, weather, alarm clock, breathing, message, voice assistant, toolbox. Okay, and we have here the settings: watch face language, brightness, raise to light, and system and information. Okay, so it looks really great. So I will be wearing this one guys, and I will let you know how it feels. Alright guys, so this is our Aolon watch Foom S4. Okay, it looks really light guys. It feels really light when you wear it, so it is not uncomfortable to wear. So it's really nice when you are just using this one daily. So I really like this the smartwatches that Aolon really make, because it really gives you that feature that a worker or even an outdoor enthusiast really wants. So I and the strap, it's really convenient, doesn't feel heavy at all or anything. So guys, if you're interested, you can just click the link in the description box and get yours. Alright, so once again, this is Josh. and I'll see you in our next video.